singing to you, buddy.
And there's Cameron and Grandma.
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna want to see this. Cam.
Teddy bears at home?
Cam. Hi. Hi.
What do you think? You gonna have fun with all our friends? The yellowfish. See, what you do is you take one of these and you look at the number. Do you know what number that is? It's a 6. So good. The 9 does look like a 6. And then you have to count 6 fish. You have to put 6 fish in the bowl. So you have to count them and put them in the bowl. 6 of them. Can you do that? You got 4, so you have to put 4 fish in your bowl.
Finish that first. Put 4 more. Put 4 more. You can do it. Okay, you have 2. So you need 4 more. Count 4 fishes.
Okay.
You know how to count. Come on, count 4 fishes.
I need 1.
You need 5.
4.
Okay, so put it in here.
Put them in your fish bowl.
And then count. Put all 4 in there. Go ahead.
That's not right.
Okay. Now count the total. How many fishes? Oh, that's 6. Okay, count how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
Very good. You put 6 in your bowl. Now, if you want to take another one, you can take another bowl.
Pink and purple. Pink and purple.
Oh, you're picking some colors?
Yeah. Oh, pink and purple.
You like those?